guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about cleansers, benefits of cleansers, why you should be using cleansers, what to look out for when you're using cleansers or when you're buying cleansers. So you have some that they look like lotion in my opinion. They're like creams, lotion. Those ones are specifically for people who have extremely dry skin. You know, their skin is going through one problem or the other and they need something that is calming, that won't further aggravate the skin problem. So if you've got like skin issues and your face is extremely dry, the creamy cleansers would work for you. And so you have the foaming cleansers. Those ones are suitable for people with really oily skin. So if you've got oily skin and your skin is dehydrated, or your skin is, you know, you just feel your skin is oily but there's an underlying problem and it's mostly dehydration, then you look out for hydrating cleansers. So you could do foaming cleansers that are hydrating or that are really moisturizing, because all you want to do is to add back moisture onto the face. And using the creamy cleansers wouldn't be suitable for people with oily skin because it wouldn't even take anything out. People with oily skin need, you know, a little bit of effort to get rid of the excess oil, but at the same time not stripping the skin. Then you have the soap-free cleansers. Those ones I really like them because most of them don't sting. Like the ones I've tried, they don't really sting if they mistakenly get into your eye. And those ones I find out that they're quite hydrating as well, and they're quite jelly, and those ones are really suitable for people with dry skin. You have to, you know, pay attention to your skin type. So I mean, if the next person you know uses a certain kind of cleanser, don't assume it would suit you, because both of you may have different skin conditions and skin types. So that's what to consider. So before purchasing any cleanser or getting any cleanser, be sure to find out your skin type. Know if it's oily, if it's combination, if it's, you know, dry or whatever, or what your skin is suffering, or maybe if what you're battling, you know, or maybe if it's like acne prone skin, you want to use products with salicylic acid. Otherwise you can still use regular cleansers, but be sure to get one that will suit your skin type. And if you've got dry skin, using harsh cleansers is the worst thing for you, so you want to be very careful. If you're sensitive as well, be sure to stay away from products with perfume, fragrance. And I know people use all sorts. You can use your bath soaps and all that, but I will tell you why you should not be using your bath soap on your face. Most people can afford to use whatever kind of soap or body wash they want to use, but those washes and soaps are not ideal for the face. The main reason is because of the pH of the soap, and most of these soaps have fragrance which would upset the skin and the face. Most soap have pH of 12, and that's too, you know, alkaline for the face. And that's why if you use certain soaps or certain washes on the face and you realize that your face feels squeaky clean or too tight after washing, you know that that soap or wash is very stripping, and that is not what we want. You do not want to strip off all the oils on the skin. You want to wash your face and your face will still feel hydrated and not too tight. So when you're getting the face wash, ensure that it doesn't make your face feel tight. It doesn't, you know, sting you while you use it. It feels quite hydrated after washing it and not too tight and not squeaky clean. And washing the face is of essence. Like, you really have to wash your face, especially in the morning. In fact, wash your face 2 times, morning and night. Encountered a couple of people saying, oh, you know, they don't wash their faces like all the time. Maybe if they have had a nighttime skincare routine that is amazing, they don't see the reason to wash their face the next morning, especially if they're not going out. And I say to them, no, you certainly have to wash your face in the morning, because nighttime is when the skin, you know, recovers, brings out stuff, pushes off stuff to the surface and repairs itself basically. So there'll be a lot of waste. So in the morning you want to wash off all that stuff to keep your pores clean and to prevent breakout. Then nighttime as well, in the day you have, you know, exposed yourself to environmental factors, so you certainly need to wash your face. That's why you have to wash your face morning and night. And then when it comes to the type of face wash, I prefer face washes that are hydrating. You don't want stripping face washes, because the very stripping face washes are quite detrimental, especially if you have dry skin, because it will further aggravate your skin problem. My favorite face wash at the moment is the Aprilskin Real Calendula Low pH Foam Cleanser. And why I really like this particular face wash is because it's low pH, so its pH value is 5.5, which is ideal for our acid mantle. When you're getting face washes, look out and be sure that I mean, it's not what you start measuring and checking for the pH, but when you try it out and you find out that it's stripping, stay away from it. Tried some face washes out there and they're really nice. I've done a review on a couple of them. I'll be sure to link them in the description box below, so do check them out. But this particular one is my current favorite because a little goes a long way. When I use it, my face doesn't feel tight at all. I just like that feeling. It doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel like I've stripped the face off or I've ruined my acid mantle. It's hydrating and it has a way of clearing pores. This is like 200 ml. It lasts about I've used mine for, to be honest, close to 3 months now. No, I don't joke with you. I use it morning and night, so whenever I use it, my face feels really nice. This caters to people with dry skin, and I don't really have dry skin like that, but this period is quite cold and the weather is dry and quite stripping and quite harsh. My face gets dry most of the times, so it works for me. Generally I have quite oily face, so I would say that even during like summer when it's warmer, it really does the job for me. So if you've got any skin type, to be honest, dry, combination, normal, it would work for you. If you're looking for cleansers, be sure to get really hydrating cleanser. In my opinion, those ones are like, you can never really go wrong with hydrating cleansers, because whatever you're doing to skin, you want hydration, because practically everybody has dehydrated skin one way or the other. How you want to wash your face is, first of all, personally, if I'm not taking a shower or taking a bath, I like to wash my hands first, because you want to get rid of the dirt on your hands, because these hands carry a lot of germs and you don't want to put it on your face. So what you want to do is wash your hands first and take a little, like just a pea size, little goes a long way. Massage it onto your palm, massage it into the face. I like to, do that for about 60 seconds. You've got like all those fancy face brushes, you can use it, but it's just optional. For me, I really don't use those brushes. I prefer to use maybe washcloth or something, then get the soap into my skin and my neck as well. And when I'm done, I'll then rinse off my face and make sure that I rinse my face thoroughly, and that's it. But the thing is, you have to be consistent and you have to use your face washes morning and night to ensure that your skin is clear, to help decongest your pores. And if your cleanser should get into your eye, rinse it out thoroughly with clean water. So after your cleansers, you can follow up with your other skincare routines, such as toning your face, moisturizing, using your serums, then sunscreen and all that. So I have collaborated with Aprilskin to do a giveaway, and big thank you to Aprilskin for partnering me in this video. So at the end of the period, I'll put all the details in the description box below. I'll be doing a giveaway to give out some of these products, some of the Aprilskin products, for you guys to try it, especially this cleanser, because you have to try it out with me. I know most times we find it difficult to get a cleanser that is really suitable for us, but you'll certainly enjoy this cleanser if you try it out and thank me later, and also thank Aprilskin. And with all that being said, I'll have to end this video here. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.